your attention? Do I have 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 your attention?
Is you taking notes?
3, 2, work.
What's up, y'all? So as a birthday gift, I asked my mama to take me to the gun range, and we are on the way there now. Mama say hey. I'm gonna record a little bit like of us going there, but once I get there I have to see if they're gonna let us record or not. But I'm excited. I'm scared because I've never shot a gun before, but I'm more excited. Yeah, I'll show y'all my outfit later because I'm cute like always. Yeah, I still like my hair. I don't know how to do that little curl thing. See y'all when we get there because I want to play music and YouTube be tripping. Okay, y'all, we made it. I think y'all can see. I'm gonna record some more. Y'all, oh, it's so dark you can't even see me. Okay, there we go. So look at this. I'll show y'all these guns. Y'all see, this is a fancy one, Mom. Y'all can see. Okay. Oops, sorry, sir. I was showing that man face. This is the good one. But y'all, ooh, I want to shoot one of those, y'all. One of these right here. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna wait till we pay because I gotta talk to my mama.
Who's the purple one on there? Michelle got
My VIP card. Wait, that was this week.
no, it's not. They got no damn record. Listen, either one of them never been there. You say you was oh no, because we got to wait on the people to.
Ma, you lied. My video go over. Y'all, I'm excited but scared at the same time. You know that feeling when you excited but you never been. Y'all, ooh, this one is nice. This how my class green look, but better than that. Bye.
Don't drop that magazine in there.
Y'all, this is harder than it looks. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but it's harder than it looks. You gotta pull that thing down. On the side. Mom, what you doing? Pull that down. She trying to kill us here. Okay, y'all, we out now. That was a lot of work. My hand hurting. My hand is hurting. Well, let me see this. This one. The first. Yeah. Huh? Wait, wait. Let me show y'all. This is how it was. For some reason, we could not get no headshot, but this is
Brain. That's the head.
oh, well, we got head, face, neck, all that stuff. I wanted brain shot. Pow. Got some over here. We ain't get no ding ding. We ain't get no ding. Oh, we got the heart, killing dead first sight. We ain't get no ding ding. But it's okay. It's okay. Y'all have fun. I have fun. At first I was scared. That thing was hard. But it's like, pull, about to break my doggone head. Look, I'm ashy, but I had fun, y'all. That was really fun. I'm coming back again. I will be coming back again. This a professional shooter is. She ain't get no headshot, y'all. She outdid it. She fool. She rusty.
I get them when it's time to get them.
She rusty, y'all. She is so rusty because she could not get a headshot. She told me something. Maybe use these glasses.
Don't be.
She told me something. Maybe use these glasses. I said, Mom, take off your glasses. I can't see.
I take off my glasses.
But y'all have fun. So,
Okay, cool.
see y'all later.
Thank you.
Y'all, this was the place. Wait, can y'all see? Hold on. This was the place. Wait, they can't even see it. Hold on. Hopefully y'all can see. Okay, here we go. This is the place. It's in my word. What is that, Davy? I don't know what she said, but Nexus. It's in Davy. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's a little billboard thing. Yeah. I'm hungry, Mom. Oh, why am I zooming in? Huh? It don't matter. I just want something to eat. Huh? I said it don't matter. I just want something to eat. It's dark outside now, but
You got hand sanitizer?
no.
It's like ammunition.
I don't know. No, but that thing hurt my hand.
What?
The little pokey things on the gun hurt my hand. It was hurting my hand. Y'all, we leaving now. About to go get some food because I'm hungry. Hungry. No, I don't want to fofo from Wendy's.
I just didn't want to
No, I don't want to fofo. I already knew she was playing. I had to take off my earrings because that thing was gonna hurt a lot. I thought I was gonna have the headphones on. That's probably why I took off my earrings. Y'all had fun. I had fun.
You got your bucket list wish?
Yes, that was on my bucket list, y'all. I don't know who these people is. I ain't been to show you.